Divide 23 by 2. So here we divide 23 by 2 in a long division method. So 2 times 1 means 2. On subtracting we get 0. So now we take the beside number this 3 and we can remove this 0. So 3 is greater than 2. So 2 times 1 means 2. On subtracting we get 1. So here remainder we have is 1. Quotient we have is 11. So now we express in terms of decimal, that when we keep their decimal then we put here 0. So 2 times 5 means 10. On subtracting we get 0. So 23 divided by 2 equals 11 decimal 5. Like as in terms of mixed fraction, it is quotient we have is 11, remainder we have here is 1, and divisor we have here is 2. So this much for today, and thanks for watching.